Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. And guys, I think you might be in confusion to buy which laptop in this present situation because the present pandemic is destroying the whole world, and most of the people are just working from home, and they may be the students or the employees of the companies. But these all people need a laptop to work, and in the market we have so many laptops of different companies. So watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing some of the best budget laptops that you can get under 30,000 rupees, and especially it is useful for the students. So let's get started. Okay guys, before going into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. So now, let's get into our topic. So the first laptop in our list is from the Lenovo. Yes, Lenovo has one of the biggest markets in the laptop industry. Its model number is around Lenovo IdeaPad S145. It is coming with the i3 8th generation processor, and it also has one more variant, that is the AMD Ryzen 3200U processor. And it has around 15.6-inch Full HD Plus display, and it is coming with the 4GB DDR4 RAM, and it has around 1 TB HDD, that is a hard disk, and it has an integrated graphics in it, and it is coming with the Windows 10 Home Edition, and it has the dual speaker support, and it is also having the SD card support and some of the USB cards. And its battery will be around 6 hours on a single charge, and it is priced at 27,990 rupees. So you can buy this laptop if you are a very light and a normal user. I'll provide all the links of these laptops in the description below. You can just click on that link and just buy the laptops. And the second laptop in the list is the Microsoft Surface Go. See guys, as you know, the Microsoft has established one of the biggest brand not only in the smartphone but in the tech industry. This Microsoft Surface Go doesn't have the high specifications, but as a very normal and light user, you can consider this. It has the Intel Pentium Gold 1.6 GHz processor, and it has a 4GB RAM and a 64GB of storage. And guys, actually this is not a laptop, it is a 2-in-1 that you can use it as a laptop or as a tablet. That's why it has the front and rear cameras. Rear it has around 8 megapixel camera, and front a 5 megapixel camera. And guys, if you want to just buy a very slim and very lightweight laptop or tablet, then you can consider this because it weighs only the 500 grams and it is only 8.3 mm thickness. And guys, this Microsoft Surface Go is priced at 30,000 rupees. So guys, the processor is not very much powerful, but guys, if you think you have to just buy a 2-in-1 laptop, that is, you can use it as a laptop or you can just switch that laptop into a tablet, then you can consider this Microsoft Surface Go. And the next laptop in the list is from the Dell. Its model number is around Dell Vostro 3478. It has the i3 8th generation processor, and it is coming with the integrated graphic cards, and it has around 14-inch display, and on a single charge you will get the battery life up to 6 hours. And guys, this laptop is priced around 30,000 rupees. So guys, if you want to just buy the branded laptop with the somewhat better specifications than the laptop which I told in the earlier part of the video, then you can consider this Dell Vostro laptop. And guys, the last laptop in the list is from the HP company. It is the HP 15 Ryzen R3 laptop. This laptop has around 15.6-inch Full HD Plus display, and it is powered by the AMD Ryzen 3.4 GHz processor, and it has a dedicated graphic card. All the laptop which I told were having the integrated graphic cards, but this is the only laptop that is coming with the dedicated graphic cards. If you want to know about the difference between the integrated and dedicated graphic cards, I'll surely make a video on that, so stay tuned for that. This is having the AMD Radeon Vega 3 dedicated GPU card. So guys, as I told you, if you want to just go on to the gaming side, it's not a heavy gaming but just a medium or a light gaming, then you can consider this HP laptop because it is having the dedicated graphic cards. And guys, a point that is to be remembered that is the dedicated graphics are always better than the integrated graphics. And this laptop is priced around 30,000 rupees. So guys, these are the 4 laptops that you can get under 30,000 rupees, and these are the best budget laptops. And guys, will also try to make a video on the best gaming laptops that you can get around 40,000 or more than 50,000 rupees. So stay tuned for that video. And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, hit that like button and share it with your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below because I'll try to definitely answer those questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the AkhilanTech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.